Okay, so some of you were asking me, sir, how to learn this unsung remedy? How to know this unsung remedy much more? And this is the repeated question I have been asked to over the 2-3 weeks since I have started making these videos. My answer is, first try to know the concept of each and every remedy. If you know a remedy from the depth, it will be very easy for you to differentiate and distinguish this remedy. That's the beauty of homeopathy. If you know the core of the remedy, if you know which subclass does this belong, if you know which column and row of the periodic table this remedy belong, if you know the phylum of a animal kingdom remedy, you will be able to differentiate and distinguish this remedy far more easier. And that's the beauty of homeopathy. If you know the concept well, homeopathy is not that a difficult science. So we'll love to teach you another very interesting remedy, that is hydrocyanic acid. Wonderful remedy, and especially I have seen the beautiful cases of vertigo, migraine has been cured from this beautiful remedy. And I have also shown you a case of schizophrenia few years back in my YouTube channel, and it is mainly prepared from the hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen. So it's basically an acid, and as we know, most of the acid, they have the debility, they have the prostration. So it will be also very common in this remedy as well, hydrocyanic acid, the prostration, the debility of an acid, very common. And so we will learn more about it. So this is the Yang-Scholten periodic table, and if you can look around, it is prepared from the hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen. So hydrogen belongs to the first row of the periodic table and first column of the periodic table. So it is very unstable, very unstable, always tends to form the bond with each other, always very unstable. He won't able to do anything without someone else. That's the instability of. If a hydrogen compound patient will come to you, pagalpana, pagal तो लगेगा ही लगेगा, he will be pagal, he will always have the essence of insanity. And what is that there in the carbon, which belongs to the second column, second row, 10th column of the periodic table. Carbon belongs to the sensitivity. The patient will be very much sensitive. The sensitivity is the core of the carbon remedies. And where is nitrogen? Second row, 15th column. So nitrogen is somewhere in the erection chart, you can find out. It is in the verge of separation from the mother. A umbilical cord is now ready to be cut off from the mother to the child. So now the child, the embryo has decided to get separated from the mother and get expulsed out from the womb. That the nitrogen always want to tend to form a essence of separation. Now he has decided he want to get out of this world. That's the major core of the nitrogen. So try to learn the remedy from the mineral kingdom from the periodic chart as well. This mineral kingdom remedy can be easily understood from this periodic table. So hydrocyanic acid is a mineral kingdom remedy. It has a huge sphere of action in the nervous system and the respiratory system. It could be a major drug for convulsion, headache, head pain on side extended to forehead. So side extended to forehead. This is the major core of the hydrocyanic acid. So we'll learn more about it. And if you check out the mantles of this remedy, prepared for hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen, the mantles of hydrocyanic acid represent the instability of the hydrogen, sensitivity of the carbon and the theme of separation of this world of nitrogen. There is absent-mindedness during convulsion. There is difficulty in concentration while studying and reading. Indifferent toward duty and aversion to it is the major theme of the remedy. Talks in a very confused way. Since it has the hydrogen, there is always been a very much instability. Talks in confused way. There is inability to take the duties. So he developed the aversion from it. Very much absent-mindedness. You can check out in this remedy. So we'll show you a case, and this was a case of a 36-year-old male. He was diagnosed by schizophrenia by psychiatry. He works on a bank as a cashier, and the main trouble was he didn't have any interest on the work. He couldn't able to concentrate while reading and writing. He was a cashier and didn't have any concentration while reading and writing. He comes to us confused and absent-minded during the case history. He wanted to do the things, but somehow he couldn't do in the right way. We gave him hydrocyanic acid, 1 mg single dose, and he recovered dramatically well. So what was the major core? This is just the short form of the case, and he used to say, I want everything to be get back into the normal stage. So when we asked what is the normal stage, he didn't ask anything. So that's the major core of the case, and in this way we prescribe him hydrocyanic acid. You can learn how unstable is hydrocyanic acid from this particular case. So you can check out the essence of the totality of the rubric. Absent-minded, talking, conversation during. So he is completely absent-minded, talking and conversation during. Duty aversion to, lots of aversion to the duties. Concentration difficulty studying and reading while. Duty want of sense of, indifferent apathy duties to, talks in a confused way. Contradictory action are contrary to intention. This intention are very contradictory to actions, and work is impossible. He is it will be very impossible him to work from place to place. That is the major core of the remedy. Absent minded, check out whole theme of hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen you will find out in this remedy. He wanted to get expulsed out of the world. Every time you will find out. That's why he became indifferent to everything. So headache in general, pressing, bursting, side extended to forehead. From the side extending to the forehead, headache. Headache, weakness, exertion after exertion, there is lots of head itching. Occiput pressing right side worsen. Pain in the occiput, pressing on the right side get aggravate the complaint. Discoloration of the nose, of the wing especially, bluish discoloration. Bluish. Brain burning heat, fiery. So brain will full of burning and fiery heat. Think of this remedy. Asthma, throat choke with. So on asthma, the sensation is throat is choking. Think of this remedy, hydrocyanic acid. Convulsion is in spasm, sudden convulsion is spasm. Think of this remedy. Convulsion is using whooping cough with. So with whooping cough, you can have convulsion and spasm. Vomiting, convulsion. Before the convulsion, there is vomiting. Think of this remedy, hydrocyanic acid. Hope you have enjoyed the remedy. So these all our 2 books. You can also have this. Do write down to me if you are liking these videos. Ishan25smilebox@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.